Hello student. In the previous part we have read about the pie chart. Now we will discuss about the another form of data handling, that is probability. So what is probability? Probability means chance. Chance means what is the percentage of outcome. If I say it may rain today, it may rain, that means it can rain, but it is not certain that it will rain, right? So I am talking about the chance, that is, it is a chance that it can rain, but it may be possible, right, that it may not, right? If I toss a coin, coin has two faces, that is head and tail. Alright, so if I toss a coin, it is a chance to come head or tail. I want that head should come. So there is 50% chance that head should come, right? This is the way we say that 50% chance that it may rain, 50% chance it may be head, 50% chance or 90% chance that I will pass, right? So this is the probability. Now for the chance or for the probability we have one formula, that is number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome. What it means? Number of favorable outcome and number of total outcome. I have talked about the coin. So coin have two faces, that is head and tail. So total number of outcome is 1, 2. So total number of outcome is 2. But what I want head. This is my favorable outcome. So favorable outcome will be 1. Okay, let's do some examples regarding this to understand this probability. Okay, question is, what is the probability of getting head on top? Okay, so one coin is tossed and I want the probability of head on the top. So what is the formula? So what is the formula? Number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome, right? So number of favorable outcome is head, because head is only 1. So number of favorable outcome is 1. Total number of outcome is 2. Why? Because there are two faces on the coin. So total number of outcomes is 2. So the probability of getting head on the top will be 1 by 2. Okay, let's take the example of dice. You play Ludo, right? So I am talking about the same die which represent 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now if I say what is the probability of getting 1 on the top? What is the probability of getting 1 on the top? So only one favorable outcome. There is no other one here. So only one favorable outcome is there. And what are the total number of outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total number of outcomes are 6. So the probability of getting 1 on the top is 1 by 6. Now if I say probability of getting even number in the same dice. So what are the even numbers? This is even, this is also even, and this is also even, right? So I have 3 favorable outcomes now. So probability of getting even number, what is the formula? Number of favorable outcomes. So I have 3 favorable outcome and total number of outcomes are 6. On solving I will get 1 by 2. So probability of getting even number on a die is 1 by 2. Okay, let's take one more example of deck of cards. What is the deck of cards? ताश के पत्ते, right? So deck of cards consists of 52 cards. There are 4 types of cards there: diamond, heart, club, spade. Okay, so these type of cards are present in the deck of cards, and every single shape consists of 13 cards. Okay, so if I talk about, if I say what is the probability of getting 1, 8. So this shape also consists of 8, this shape also consists of 8, this shape also, this one also. So I have 1, 2, 3 and 4 8 in the deck of cards. So what will be the probability of getting 8? 4 divided by 52. On solving I will get 1 by 32. So the probability of getting 8 on a card is 1 by 13. So let's have, what is the probability of getting ace? Ace is the ikka. So there are 4 ikkas, right? So 4 divided by 52 will be the probability. On solving we will get 1 by 13. But if I say what is the probability of getting ace of diamond? So ace of diamond is only 1. So the probability of getting ace of diamond will be 1 by 52. Alright, so this was all about the probability. You can solve the exercise 5.3 on the basis of these examples.